Hey, we're at the ClickBank headquarters again here. We've got 5 up and coming offers for April. These offers are ones that haven't quite hit big scale yet, but they're testing out and proving really well. You want to jump on them to get the highest conversions before they're saturated. Michael's pulled a great list. Let's dive in. So before Michael and I dive into these too much, why don't I provide some context for this one? Something I've seen personally on the BDM, biz dev side of ClickBank is more of the dating kind of relationship, let's call them sex offers, kind of coming back onto the platform.
Right.
Not back necessarily, just more getting submitted and getting launched and that sort of thing.
Yeah, we're starting to see that trend. We're starting to see the other thing with these up and coming offers that I wanted to really highlight is sometimes we see affiliates and some of our top affiliates just give me the best ones, and they're really missing out on what's in the pipeline. And so while they're in the really crowded party with no room to dance, there is a really kicking party next door that they could be getting way better drink offers and be getting way better deals, and they're missing out on it. These
are my parties in high school, right? There was no one there, but we sure had a lot of fun.
Oh, man, man. If you just would have been there, it would have been
great. So with some of these, more adult offers, let's call them, we won't so much show the landers. They can be a little more explicit sometimes. Mm-hmm. We'll still link to them in the description below. Well, not link to that. We'll link to the blog post that we have where you can get the links to them in the description below. Yeah, but it's just one of those things. Like I think with COVID kind of not ending necessarily, but with things starting to open back up more, people wanting to mingle, meet their love of their life, all that kind of stuff.
People being awkward, being in their houses for a year, losing all that game.
I'm sitting right here, Michael, but okay.
I'm sorry. I just have you thought about working on yourself?
A little bit. Well, thank you for that. Let's dive into the first one then. Do you want to take it?
Yeah, this first one is an offer product called Revolutionary Sex. They are a brand new product that he says is from extensive surveying of what his own readers are looking for in private clients. What it is for, it's for men, women, couples, singles, people in relationships who are interested in improving their love life or making it work. So that gives you a lot of different audiences to work with on this one. The stats on this are phenomenal. So what I'm seeing with this is I'm seeing an EPC of $1.56. Nice. Now, these offers that are up and coming, there's going to have less affiliates. So what I would like to let people know is if you think that this would work with one of your lists, with one of your segments, then definitely take it on. It has a conversion rate of about 4%. It has low refund rate. Its chargeback rate is flat 0. And it's
to be fair, these are all pretty new.
Yeah,
offers,
these are all
right?
pretty new ones too.
I'd bet that refund and chargeback rates are going to be inherently low across the board, right? Just because they're so new.
Yeah. And it's AOV $59. So $59 with a conversion rate of about 4%. That's stellar. And that's definitely one that you're going to want to have on your radar, just as survival offers should have been on your radar in Q1, and health offers, dating offers going into spring and summer should definitely be on your radar.
Yeah, I know they can be tough to run on like Facebook or some of the big branded, ad networks and things like that. But some of the boutique, we'll call them, native ad traffic sources and things like that can be great. So check out the native video we've done in the past if you want to check out kind of what native is, that's Greek to you.
Good call.
And let's move into the next one here. Number 4 is Gutamin 7. This one is from a proven vendor. This is a weight loss offer. It's a supplement. This guy's had multiple supplement offers in the top 10 we featured before. So I'm expecting this one to climb the ranks pretty quickly. You'll see it's a 136 model like we've kind of seen in the past, getting those high AOVs with the bundles and things up there, good upsell flows and all that. And then if you really want to double down on these with them, right, you want to figure out, what I like to do is you get introduced to their affiliate managers and get tapped into an up and coming one they've got going because they're trying to get traction for them.
Right.
And then expand into the proven offers they've got, because you'll often get really good support with an up and coming one because they want to get that one rolling, right? And then you can start to get tapped into maybe better commissions. Wow,
Right.
words.
Yeah, words.
And then kind of rolling from there. This one's solid though out the gate with 75% average commission level for a supplement, which is very aggressive. EPCs in the $2 range, AOVs in the $184 range. I expect we'll see this one climb the charts pretty quickly with those stats.
Yeah, those stats are pretty phenomenal just out of the gate with very few people promoting it. It's one of those offers I was telling you before we even got going, like this is going to be one of the big offers over the next 3 months. I have no doubt about it. So going into our number 3 offer, it is the 5-second method. So the 5-second method is a diet offer. It's about eliminating that belly fat fast. It's hitting you right with a VSL. You aren't going to see an affiliate tools page. I think we said this on the top offers, wink, wink. If you are a vendor out there, it's definitely helpful. But the numbers on this one, I think just like with Gutamin, it's going to kill. It is rocking about a 1.9% conversion rate. It has an EPC of $1.56 and an AOV of $148. So it's going to do numbers. These health offers that we're going to talk about today, you're not going to see them on a sleeper in the future.
That's true.
Like these are ones that might be breaking into the top 10 either next month or the following month. They are going to be big time, and this is going to be one of those offers. And this is once again coming from a proven vendor. These are people who know what they're doing. They've done this before, and they really know how to work with their affiliates and really know how to scale.
Yeah, this is a friend of mine. He's actually the face on the VSL, handsome guy talking on these VSLs he's doing. He's got a number of them.
He's a good-looking guy.
Yeah, he's got a great rap video he did to promote one of his last ones.
Wait, for real?
Yeah.
You serious?
Luma Slim was one of his offers.
Luma Slim, and he hit the hip-hop.
Yep. I'll send
Hip-hop, real hip-hop.
No, so it's a banger. Yeah. A bopper, is that what the kids say?
It's a banger.
Bopper? Yeah.
It slaps.
So this next one is another dating offer. This is Friends with Benefits Now. And as you might pick up from that, this is basically how to meet someone and have good relations with them quickly.
Benefits.
It's a dating
as
offer.
As it were.
Yeah. So it's, like I said, we've seen more of these coming across. It's looking like they convert really well on a digital level. And they are what they are, right? They might not be for every traffic source or for your traffic source, but they convert well. There's a need for them in the market, like I said, from quarantine kind of ending across the board of places, right. People getting out and mingling again. So, yeah, they serve a need. They can do really well. The affiliate tools page here, make up to $180 per sale. That's probably if everyone took every single upsell. Decent affiliate tools page you can get to, and all the swipe files from there. And then, like a good digital offer this one, EPCs in the $2 range, AOV in the $94. That's really high for a digital offer front end. $94 is very high, so they must have some good upsell take rates there.
Good upsell. And I imagine the people who are promoting it right now are very dialed in.
Yeah, and 75% commission on an AOV of $94. So that's going to outcompete quite a few offers out there.
So if you do have the traffic for this, this is definitely needs to be in your rotation.
Yeah, and then maybe you can be friends with benefits and with the offer owner and make some money happen.
Yeah.
No, don't do that. Yeah.
No, don't do that. No, don't do that. Just help. Moving on. Number 1, we're going to talk about Mitoboost. Mitoboost. I like that. So it is a supplement offer that is going to trick your brain to pee the fat away. Yeah, each morning.
I like it.
So it is a supplement offer, and I will say their pitch page is just clean. It looks really, really good. It doesn't have a VSL, so if you're into VSLs, it doesn't have a VSL. It's text heavy, but they have 3 different types of options for the bottles. You're able to get a 30-day supply and be able to work on a rebill, on a subscription, and it has a good starting price point of $69. What is great about it, though, its numbers are absolutely phenomenal. So you are looking at an AOV right now of about $221. Conversion rate, I would say, is a bit lower than what I would like to see. It's at about 0.67%.
But I mean, I'll say with the AOV that high,
exactly,
you're offsetting that lower conversion rate, which is what we see with the high AOV.
Right, exactly. Yeah. So with higher AOV, you're gonna. It's like levels.
Yeah, it's two sides of the coin.
Yep.
Right? Yeah.
Right. So EPC right now is at about 81 cents, but there are a lot of people on. I shouldn't say a lot because these are sleepers, but there's some people on there doing volume, so that's going to bring that down. So if there's somebody doing heavy volume, yeah, you're going to see that EPC drop a little bit, and especially with so few affiliates, that is going to affect the sample size of what we're seeing with the stats. But I think this is going to be the big one. I really do. I think this is going to be one of those where we're going to see it battling out FB Tonic and BioFit. Yeah, I definitely do
that.
Yeah. This is the one. I'm putting on my Nostradamus hat. This is the one because the vendor who is running this is just so good at dialing in these products, at making them more efficient, at optimizing over time, and I'm sure he might even be watching this and be like, tell me something I don't know. So this one is going to be the big time.
Well, I'm willing to bet too that they'll have a VSL here pretty soon. He does a lot of really good VSLs. Their whole team does. So expect that to launch soon.
Yeah, and the reason it's on the sleepers is this is the best up and coming products is. This is before everyone else is going to get to it. So this is the undiscovered country. This is blue ocean, whatever you want to call it. This is where you want to be.
I know a lot of the list managers I chat with are always like, tell me the new one coming
out. What's the new one? Do you have any new ones? Yeah.
Yeah, because they want to test it fresh to their list because they get the best conversions. So it makes a ton of sense. Well, sweet. So don't forget to check out that link to our blog post in the description below where you can go find all the tools pages if they have them, the sales pages, to get more details around promoting these offers. And gosh, I'm excited to see what comes from this. Leave a comment below on which one you're excited for and what you want to promote. And thank you again. I just want to say thank you to the affiliates because we've been doing these videos for almost a year now, I want to say.
Yeah.
The top offers videos, maybe a little less than a year. And the engagement we're seeing on the offers that we're highlighting has just been excellent.
We learned what cuffing season is.
Yeah. Not what we thought it was. Yeah.
Not in spring. It's definitely December.
Thanks for pulling these, Michael, and happy scaling, everybody.